Hi everybody, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to show you where the OneLaunch knowledge base is and how it can help you get the support that you need for all things related to the OneLaunch software application. The OneLaunch software application, as you know, is the desktop docked search bar at the top of your Windows operating system. And from it, we offer all sorts of features, functionalities, apps, and widgets, and quick access to the web, in which we provide web results within your own custom Chromium browser experience. So from the three-dot menu, top right on the OneLaunch dock, you're able to click it and very quickly click Help with the question mark here. That will immediately open up our Chromium instance. You can double check that by clicking the three-dot menu in your Chromium browser, and you'll see About OneLaunch. So we're in OneLaunch Chromium now, and immediately you're taken to support.onelaunch.com. And that, of course, is our support page, our knowledge base. So this is if you don't want to bother emailing us and you just want to get the answers yourself. We have tons of articles here written by our support specialist to make sure you can quickly and easily get answers about different things you might be having trouble with in our software. Of course, if you do want to, email with a human, feel free to email us at support@onelaunch.com at any time. So just to kind of scroll down a bit, we've got lots of topics here getting started. Apps and features, security and privacy, and advanced articles. And then finally, we've got release notes that show you what's new in each and every new release of OneLaunch. So we'll click through each one just very briefly here. Getting started, you can get all the basics of the app. You can learn about installing, learn about our browser, our dashboard, learn about the apps library and what's hosted there. Learn about our search bar, shortcuts, our three-dot menu top right on the OneLaunch dock, and all about opening OneLaunch, and then finally, all of our settings and how you can change them. So that's what we call getting started. In apps and features, we've got all of the apps and features that reside on the OneLaunch dock. The dock is super customizable. You don't have to have all these things. You don't have to have any of them if you want. Everything is super customizable, but there are articles written on each and every app and feature that we offer. 2 pages here of information. And to just show you what this means, apps and features from the dock perspective, that's everything you see that's pinned to your OneLaunch dock on the top left, and additionally on the top right. And as a reminder, the apps library is found by clicking the gray plus icon on your OneLaunch dock. So that's 2 pages full of articles on apps and features. Then we've got the advanced section, lots of topics here, how to uninstall OneLaunch, how to add extensions to our browser, what's Chromium, how do we make money, where to find our release notes, our Amazon prepinned and our relationship there, and just too many to list. But these are a bit more technical, a bit more nitty-gritty, a bit more advanced, and we have a whole whack of articles there as well, 2 pages full. And then finally, anything related to security and privacy is, of course, under the security and privacy section. And here, you'll find more about our reading of your location to enhance the app, our privacy policy, our EULA, and your search history. And then finally, I already mentioned it. I guess I'll click into it briefly for the sake of the video, but you can click in and see what's happening as we release new software of OneLaunch. So maybe notable updates, new features, bug fixes, etc. might be a few examples of things that we're doing within the app. So that's it. It's short and sweet. Just really wanted to make sure you knew, 1, how to get there. So a reminder, that's from the 3-dot menu on your OneLaunch dock, click Help. And then number 2, a bit of a tour for when you're here. And very quickly, you should be able to find the article on the topic that you need. And if you'd prefer, for whatever reason, you can also go here by just going to our main website, OneLaunch.com, and then simply click Support top right. That's another option to get here. Or simply use your search engine and type in OneLaunch support. You should find us quickly as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you know where to find the knowledge base and hope you get all the answers you need. If not, email us at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.